Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marika. So for today's video, I wanted to do an everyday fall makeup look for you guys. This is basically what I wear almost every day now. Yeah, and it's really easy to create. It's under 20 minutes and you know, everyone can recreate this look because it's just really dang easy. And what else do I want to tell you guys? I'm almost to 800 subscribers and I'm thinking of doing like a giveaway for when I reach 800 subscribers. Basically, I'm not gonna buy new makeup. Basically, I'm just gonna give away like makeup that I don't use or like new makeups that I get from my BoxyCharms that I don't even like, you know, because I already have something similar like it. So something like that, nothing too bougie, you know what I mean? So yeah, if you guys want to keep on watching how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Bye! So I did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes already with the eyeshadow Photo Focus eyeshadow primer by Wet n Wild. Seriously, this is like one of the best eyeshadow primer ever from the drugstore. I haven't used any high-end eyeshadow primers in forever. I've always just used this one, and a little goes a long way. So I've had this for I think over a year now and it's just great. I love it. Next thing that I like to do is I like to spray this all over my face. This is the Aloe Rose Water Soothing Face Mist. What it does is it just gives my skin a little boost, wakes up my skin a little bit, and it kind of just refreshes my face before I put on anything. So basically I just use this as like my water primer. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. And then I'm actually using my ring light today. I haven't touched this ring light in like 3 months, and yeah, I'm actually scared to use it because we live in an apartment and obviously it's a second floor. It's like kind of like a townhouse apartment kind of thing. Like our apartment is like 2 floors, so we have the first floor and the second floor. So I'm filming this on the second floor, but and I'm filming this in front of a window and it's kind of facing the parking lot. And I don't have like a privacy curtain kind of thing. It's more like a sheer curtain and it's like see-through, so when the light is on, like people can actually see you if they happen to look over here. Anyways, enough blabbering. So I'm actually going to use this eyeshadow palette from Crown Pro, I think or is it Crown Brush or Crown, just Crown, I don't know. And I got this from my BoxyCharm a couple of months ago and I haven't used it until like a month ago, and honestly I love all of the eyeshadows in here. They are like these are just like my jam, like my go-to eyeshadows. So I've been using it almost every day for the past 3 weeks now and it's just awesome. I'm going to put this shade right here all over my crease, just like a transition shade. And I love this eyeshadow shade because it is just very subtle. It's not too like bam on your face. It's a good transition shade is what I'm trying to say. Next, I'm actually going to use this shade right here to also blend in with the transition shade, and I'll put it on my crease just a little lower than my transition shade, so those can mix together. I am going to blend. I am just using the Alamar brush right here to blend. It's one of their like fluffy crease brush, but I use it as my blending brush. I am going in with this shade right here. It's very pretty. I don't know, like, I don't know what kind of shade that is, and they don't have names on it. And I'm actually going to put this on my eyelid. So next, I will do this shade right here, the second to last, and it's just like a chocolatey brown, and I'm gonna put it on my outer corner. I am actually putting mascaras on today. I'm not doing any falsies because I haven't been doing falsies lately. It's just always been mascaras between these two combinations. I use the Too Faced Better Than Sex and then the Best Lash Extreme Volumizing Mascara from Jordana. So I put the Too Faced one first. Face is really easy. All I do is very natural look. I don't put any foundations. I haven't been putting any foundations lately just because I feel like it's too heavy on my face. I don't know, like my face is just so weird. Like when I step outside and it's cold, my face just feels so icky. I don't know if you guys have that same feeling or whatever, but I have oily combo skin, and sometimes I just don't like the feel of foundation on my face when I step outside and it's very like cold. Especially now it's getting cold in Indiana, and yeah. Okay, I use the Too Faced Hangover RX, what is this? Face primer, and it just moisturizes my face. I actually use this as well as what is it? Oh, what's the word I'm trying to say? As a, oh my god, it's like on the tip of my tongue. As my moisturizer, because it does have that moisturizing effect. If I don't put any moisturizer or like, yeah, moisturizing lotion on my face when I do my makeup, I use this one. And that acts as a, you know, 2-in-1 or whatever. So yeah. Like I said, I don't put any foundation, so I've been skipping that one. So for my under eye for my under eye concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me, and I just put this on there. And I don't like highlight or anything like that. Like put it on my nose or whatever. And then for my face powder, I am using the Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder from Rimmel. I love this stuff. It mattifies my face and it's just really lightweight on my face, and I love it. All over my face. And I love this brush. It's actually from Crown as well. And this is just like their face brush. And it's so fluffy and it's so big, and I just love it. I love it. Oops. Okay, this eyeshadow right here, and put it on my waterline. Once that's done, I am going back to my Jordana eyelash mascara. I was gonna call it eyelash curler, but no. I've been using this blush palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You guys know, if you've been following me and watching my channel, I hauled this a couple of months ago from TJ Maxx and I really love it. I've been using these and these two shades right here. I haven't been using the middle one because it's way too bright for fall. So I'm actually going to use this dark one. You're gonna skip I usually skip bronzer during the fall time because it's not really necessary. You don't need to be bronzed when it's like winter and fall. But I just love this blush because it's just very muted color and I love it. I love it. I love it. So for my highlight, I'm using this highlighter from Ofra and it's called Bliss. I got this from my BoxyCharm as well a long time ago and it just looks like this. It's really pretty and it just looks really natural on your skin, and especially on my skin. I've been using it a lot, so just pop it on there. I mean, look at that glow. It's so glowy, it's so pretty, and actually lasts a really long time. Just look at that glow. I love it. I love it. It can act as a eyeshadow as well, but I haven't tried it as an eyeshadow. I just use it as a highlight because it's just so pretty. Just look at that glow. I look like a Christmas light. Speaking of Christmas light, have you guys put up your trees yet? Josh and I never lived together. It's our first time living together, obviously, since now that we're married, but we've never lived together anytime before that. So we're thinking of, like, I didn't know if he was into the holiday spirit as much as I am, but I told him that I actually want to go ahead and buy a tree so we can decorate it, and I didn't know if he's one of those people that hates putting up the tree before Thanksgiving or like loves it, you know what I mean? And he was like, yeah, I actually want to buy our Christmas tree already so we can put it up. I guess he wants to go ahead and buy one, and I actually want to buy one now too, so who cares, you know? I mean, holiday is a holiday. If it makes you happy putting your tree up before Thanksgiving, then who cares what people think, you know what I mean? It's your own opinion. It's your house. You can decorate it however you want to. I'm just blending, you know, my face. So anyways, for the lip, I am using the long-lasting liquid lipstick from Ofra, and this is in the shade Verona, and it's just a pretty natural brown color. It's kind of like moussey, but after a while it does get really sticky. Anyways, after I'm done, I'm actually going to spray myself again with this soothing face mist.